Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy A34. So today in this video we will talk about that update. So this is a Google Play System update. For that you will have to go into the settings, and after that you will have to tap on about phone, and in about phone you have to tap on software information, then you have to tap on Google Play System update. After tapping on it, you might get to see a new update available, or the update might be already installed. You will have to just restart your device to complete the update process. After tapping on restart now, your device will automatically restart and it will begin the installation process. This installation process might take a while, so make sure to update it when your device is free. And as you can see now, when I will check for the new update, it will say that your device is now up to date on the latest version. Further, if we talk about the Galaxy A34 One UI 7 update, so the One UI 7 update is just released for the Galaxy S24 series for now. The One UI 7 itself is a most anticipated update with too much delay, but finally the rollout is now begin and Galaxy S24 is the first device to get it. I received it on my Galaxy S24. As you can see, it is a 5GB of update with a security patch level of 1st April, but it has some bugs and issues as well. Like when you will lock the screen by double tapping, it will take a delay to lock it. As you can see, when I will double tap, it will take a second to lock. While if we talk about the Galaxy A34 release date, so the expected and rumored release date is in the month of April 2025 for the Galaxy A34. So the Galaxy A34 is expected to get the One UI 7 update in the next month. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update available for the Galaxy A34. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.